Ito na naman, nag-jogging kami. Naka-video to. Ito na naman, nag-jogging kami. Starting today, we have a deal. What kind of deal? 1,000. If you lose 5 kg in 1 month, you have 1,000 dirham. Okay? Yes, that's what that's our deals today. Deals? Deal pala.
With an S.
That's what we deal for today. Ano pa? Gusto ko yung naaamoy ko.
Ako din, no? Parang sarap, no?
Something
Shawarma?
sweet.
Ah, sweet ba? Ano yun?
Sarap.
Gemat.
Gemat. That's delicious.
Doon, no?
Saan?
Gusto mo bumili?
Later na, we have a deal.
After jogging?
After jogging. Yeah, we need to lose 5 kg.
Joke lang po. Guys, we are currently here at Rashidia Park. And it's around 7 o'clock in the evening. Pero maliwanag pa po. There. Dito lang po kami or ako, siya, nagja-jog. Kapag magja-jog kami or mag-walking. Because
sayang yung 1,000. Kailangan mag-lose ng weight.
Sayang yung 1,000 at kasi po, this is the safest place na pwedeng pag-joggingin kasi outside of the park or pag sa labas lang ng mga villa, parang medyo nakakatakot kasi syempre may mga sasakyan. So, for us, it's better to walk here. So, later guys, see you around kasi magja-jog muna kami, okay? Bye for now.
Bye!
Ay, bye!
Bye!
Bye! Guys, Mia told me that we need to speak English and
Yes.
we're not allowed to speak Tagalog as long as we are doing the jog and walking here at the park. So, while we are here, we're going to speak English and then
Tagalog is not allowed.
yeah, that's what I
Only
told.
jog, okay?
Yeah, that's what I told them. Okay. So, it's not allowed.
Ilagay mo dito, Rebo. Okay na dito. Okay na dito? Oo.
Guys, there's a nearby metro station here, which is Rashidia Metro Station, and it's over there. I'll show you.
Huwag mo siya silang pansinin.
Yeah, there you go. That's the metro station. Yeah, I'll show you also. There is like a basketball court here. I think you just need to book, and then they will just let you play for how many hours, but you can just tell them how many hours do you need the court. Same like before with me and Irma when we used the court. So there it is. There you go. So guys, as what I'm telling you, it is all accessible. There's a park, there's a basketball court and all. And there's a nearby dukhan inside the park where you can buy your food or drinks. Nakaka-one round pa lang kami, nagtagalog na ako.
Beth, ilang
Hi. Hello.
Hi guys. I'm tired already.
Say hi.
Hi.
So guys, it is almost 8 in the evening and we are currently still here and we're done. Yeah, we're done for the jog and for walking, and I'll show you guys from there. And then hiniikot namin. Yan, ito yung pong hiniikot namin, ganyan. And then till there, and then the metro station's over there. And then hanggang doon sa pinakang dulo. There, dulo doon. Medyo malayo-layo. And then, I think, naka 3 rounds. Yeah, only 3 rounds, guys. So, we're just going to sit, just relax, and take a rest.
No more bench available.
Take a rest for some times, and then
We'll go home.
going home. Yeah. So there you go. Naghahanap lang kami ng upuan, guys.
Ano boy? Story ni naginom naman ng susunod.
Sino?
Okay.
Naka-video to.
Video pa naman tayo kasi.
Okay. Guys, may mga Indian na partner sila, mga mag-aasawa. Nagtuturuan sila mag-skate. Ang tag dyan?
Skating.
Skating? Hindi.
Skating.
Basta yun na yun. There po. Hi guys! So, it's already 8.
Hi guys, we're going home.
Yeah, we're going home. It's 8:30 in the evening and we're just going to pass by Dukan, or you know, the small store, because we're going to buy mayonnaise for at least salad or sandwich. So, hey, let's call it a day. See you next time, guys. Good night.
Bye bye guys, good night. See you next time.
Good night.